Hello friends, so today in this video we will be studying the classification of matter based on their conductivity. So based on the conductivity, matters are classified into three parts that are nothing but the first one, that is insulator. So what is insulator? The matter is said to be insulator if it has the free charge concentration, or sometimes call it as a 3 electron concentration, from 0 to 10 to the power 6, then that will be called as the insulator. Okay, so this type of materials are normally doesn't conduct electricity. And now let's talk about the second one, that is semiconductor. So what is semiconductor? So this matter is said to be semiconductor if it has the free electrons concentration from 10 to the power 6 to 10 to the power 21, which is a very wide range. Okay, so this type of matter can conduct electricity and sometimes doesn't conduct electricity, so that's why it is known as semiconductor material. Okay, so now let's talk about the last one, that is a conductor. So what is conductor? So the matter is said to be conductor if it has the free electron concentration that is more than 10 to the power 21. That is very wide range of free electrons inside the matter. Okay, so this type of materials can easily conduct electricity. So typically in these materials we see high electrical conductivity and low electrical resistivity. Okay, so this is all about the classification of materials based on their conductivity. And in the next video, we're gonna see what is band theory and what are the connection of band theory with the conductor, semiconductor and the insulator. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.